According to an ancient fable, the wealthy kingdom of Andar had a fatal rule for its rulers. Every 5 years, the reigning king was stripped of his power, dragged to the edge of the kingdom, and thrown into the forest of death to perish after wasting his time on luxury. But one king, a poor boy named Sammy, survived. Instead of spending his 5 years living lavishly, he secretly used his reign to clear the deadly forest and build an entirely new, thriving kingdom inside of it. That ancient fable mirrors the 5-year framework used by many to build enough wealth to leave the traditional workforce behind. To execute this yourself, open a spreadsheet or grab a pen right now. We are going to build your personalized 7-step roadmap. Ignoring this framework leaves your long-term security to chance. Committing to it creates a repeatable path toward financial self-sufficiency within 60 months. Step 1 on our roadmap is getting clarity on your numbers. This timeline shows your 5-year progression, starting right now at year 1. You have to calculate your exact cash flow. King Sammy audited every coin coming in and going out to find his true net worth. Once you have your baseline, you move to step 2, live below your means. As your income increases, your expenses will naturally try to rise to meet it, a process called lifestyle creep. The old kings of Andahar spent their wealth on immediate status symbols and luxurious feasts. King Sammy chose modest clothes and simple meals, saving his funds to invest in long-term projects. Look at the budget you just made. Find 3 or 4 expenses driven by social status rather than necessity and cut them today. Take the exact dollar amount you just freed up and redirect it into a dedicated investment fund. If you skip this foundational step, any new income you generate will simply exit your bank account through lifestyle inflation. As we move into years 2 and 3 of the timeline, we hit step 3. Prioritize income creation over hoarding. This diagram compares 2 approaches. On one side, a static bank account loses purchasing power to inflation. On the other, capital is used to purchase assets that generate new cash flow. To build that machine, you implement step 4. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck leaves your entire financial life vulnerable to a single point of failure. Sammy sent skilled workers like blacksmiths and teachers to the forest to establish various microeconomies. You mirror this strategy by building side hustles or acquiring dividend-paying portfolios. You support those income streams with step 5. Prioritize skills over status. Block out 3 hours every week to acquire a new, measurable capability. Skills like coding or digital marketing or complex sales increase your market value regardless of the economy. Material purchases lose their value the moment you buy them. Acquired skills compound your earning potential over time. Real wealth is not built by stockpiling a static salary. It requires engineering an engine fueled by constantly upgrading your personal skill set. As we push into the final stretch, years 4 and 5, you execute step 6, leverage the compound effect. Fully automate your investments. Set up your accounts so that deposits occur daily or weekly without manual effort. This graph shows compound interest over 5 years. Notice the mathematical reality. The line remains relatively flat for the first few years, before curving into a spike in segments 4 and 5. King Sammy sent a few people daily. Because he stayed consistent, those actions built a city. To ensure you reach that spike, you need step 7, the 5-year commitment window. Open your calendar and set a hard alert for exactly 5 years from today. Treat this deadline with the same urgency King Sammy felt as his 5-year reign approached its end. These changes to your net worth do not require massive upfront capital. They result from small, automated daily actions forced through a strict time horizon. Looking at this completed timeline, you now have the 7-step sequence to build freedom from the rat race. You have 2 choices for how these next 60 months play out. You can arrive at year 5 unprepared for change, or you can step into a system you built that covers your cost of living. Year 1 officially begins today. Execute step 1 immediately. Open your spreadsheet and calculate your current net worth right now. Leave a comment below with the 1 high-income skill you plan to start learning this week. Financial stability is a planned architecture, not a lucky accident.